Next up on the list, we've got Whop clipping. Now this is another big bullshit opportunity that isn't really an opportunity. This goes straight up in D tier because the way this works is basically you have these big creators and they want to get bigger. So what you do is you clip their content, their long form content, and you repost it on your accounts and they pay you per 1,000 views. And I'll tell you, even if you take their clips and you get 100,000 views per month, you're paid per 1,000 views. If you're paid $1 per 1,000 views, you're gonna make $100 a month. What if instead you took all that time and effort and you made an account for yourself? You can show your face or stay anonymous if you don't want to, just record your voice, and you sold digital products. Like, all you have to do really is sell something for $50 a month, get 2 people in it, which is extremely easy, like 2 people is nothing, and you make $100 a month already from a lot less effort. Not to mention that there's been many issues with Whop. For example, they give you like a specific timeline of when you're getting paid. So a lot of time, content that you put out, especially shorts, it doesn't pop off immediately. For example, on Whoop, you'll have 7 days to get paid, etc. And you need to get a specific amount of views. But sometimes the short might pop off 90 days later. So you do all this work for free. You're basically a slave for hire. Like basically you're just being a video editor. It's basically the new, oh, do online service kind of thing. I can guarantee you nobody makes millions clipping fucking Whoop shorts. And if you're serious about making money online, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment on this video. You'll get access to my private school community and program where I'm teaching people just like you how they can monetize their passion or interests with digital products. It's literally the business model all the gurus are doing, even the ones who tell you to do dropshipping or all these other things. And it's made me thousands of dollars a day. And I am personally gonna show you everything step by step. So click the link in the description below and join today.